When the first European Americans discovered the ruins in the 1860s, they named it for the Aztec Emperor Montezuma, in the mistaken belief that he had been connected to this construction. Montezuma Castle is situated about 90 feet up a sheer limestone cliff facing the adjacent Beaver Creek, which drains into the perennial Verde River. It is one of the best preserved cliff dwellings in North America, partly because of its ideal placement in the natural alcove that protects it from exposure to elements. Perhaps the main reason the castle was built so far above ground was to escape the threat of natural disaster in the form of annual flooding of Beaver Creek. During the summer monsoon season, the creek frequently breached its banks, as is typical throughout the Southwest with the cliff dwellers. There was some type of problem, and they're not sure exactly what it was. It could have been the lack of water, because they know they went through a period of time that they didn't have rains to help with their gardening. There also was problems with some other Indian tribes that were coming in waging war against them. And a lot of these people decided that they would move on to a safer place with a larger group of people available to fight off the new people. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.